Right, I thought I would just check this out, guys. I had a video a couple days ago warning about getting in and downloading any books. If you were interested in downloading these, kind of looks like it might still be available. Today is February 26th. I'm just going to go ahead and go through it. It's actually downloaded it. So very interesting, but yeah, it actually worked. So today's supposed to be the day. I don't know when this is actually going to get triggered. I have already gone down through and downloaded all of my books. So if you haven't done it yet, I'm just going to suggest you do. I'm not going to tell you what to do as far as whether or not you should attempt to remove DRM. I've heard both sides of this argument um, about how to do it, if it's legal or not. And technically, I believe the way the licensing works, you're really just buying a license. You're just purchasing a license to use the books. You don't actually own them as if you would own a physical book, which I think is unfortunate. I think for the price that they're charging for these, I feel like it should be a lot less if we're just getting the license. But if you're looking to download these things, just to be able to save them, do a USB transfer, today's supposed to be the last day, so give it a try. I may try this again tomorrow or the day after and see if it's still available. But good luck.